What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today I'm headed over to Camaru Airport, which is where my company Circuit Spirit that I run alongside two of my best friends, Jesse Vargas and Adam Levy. We started about a year ago. We host kind of grassroots drifting just to kind of introduce people to a little bit more seat time, have a little bit more fun than the average event, and stoked to bring you guys along and kind of show you what we're all about, and I don't know, kind of introduce you guys to the other side of my life other than motocross. And also my S15 is done, back from paint. My buddy Jesse has it in his trailer right now. He's driving it to the event for me. I'm not going to drive this weekend, but we're going to kind of have it on display and kind of premiere it there. But definitely excited to show you guys that. I'm excited to see it. I haven't even seen it yet, so I'll kind of video and kind of document this whole process of, I don't know, seeing it for the first time and experiencing that with you guys. So check it out, and definitely gonna be a fun day. So we're out here at the Camaru Airport, and the boys are setting up cones. Typically what we do is we have one driver, I don't know if you can see him back there, Martin. He does the course, like kind of what we have laid out in our heads. And airplanes land over us all day, it's pretty sick. But anyway, so what Martin does is he goes out and he'll do a lap, or a few laps in this case, kind of lay down a course that we kind of thought up the day before or a week before or whatever, and then he'll go out, like I said, lay down his line, and then we can kind of just follow the tire tracks, lay down cones, and then kind of just adjust throughout the day. But Martin's a super good driver, so we can kind of rely that he's going to run a good line and all that kind of stuff, and give us the best course that we can. Last time we had a course similar to this and everyone really enjoyed it, so we're kind of just doing the same thing but mirrored, so reverse. We used to have a left-hander as our first one, so it's gonna be a right. As our company's growing, we're starting to gain interest with sponsors and all that kind of stuff. A couple months back, we kind of acquired a sponsorship with Federal Tires, which is a really cool opportunity for us. And our latest one, they just brought their trailer out, which I'm really stoked about. I think you guys are gonna be really stoked about this too, is Alienware. They do gaming, computers, and software, and are definitely a badass company. So stoked to have them out here, and they kind of set up their booth. There's some pretty crazy technology in there, so tomorrow they're gonna open it up, and they're gonna have you know, all the fans and spectators and everyone that's here, they're gonna be able to kind of try out the software, try out the gaming stuff, and just another opportunity for us to kind of grow our brand and make our events that much cooler. Oh my God, are you really a broom?
Oh, to be honest, Diane, I'm surprised.
time's finally come. They just opened the door for the trailer. Can finally take out the S15. I'm super excited to see it. And man, this has been it's been a 1.5 year build that my buddy Andrew Molina did on the motor, and ever since then, me and my buddy Jesse and Adam, who also co-founders of Circuit Spirit, have been I've been dialing in the body kit and getting everything just super clean before paint. So now let's go check it out. Super excited.
Like where you at. I like everything about you. Everything about you.
Holy shit, my car turned out amazing. Jess is ripping on it. Fuck, it sounds so goddamn good. Oh, I'm so excited.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there